What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Liquity, which has pumped up a major 100% in the last 24 hours, currently sitting at $2.63 guys. So we're going to be going through why has it pumped so much. Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or on the other hand, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it time to just hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours and days and potentially go towards the $5 mark? So we're going to be covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, and over the next few months and overall in 2023. How high can Liquity go? And looking at, is it worth buying it in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.2% in the last 24 hours. And yes guys, we do have Liquity as a top gainer in the last 24 hours. As you can see, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain 3% in value. Over the last day, a massive 86%. As you can see, they pumped up earlier this morning, dropped back down, and right now consistently pumping up again. Over the week, 135%, and over the month, a massive 270%. But clearly, most of the pump did come from the last couple of hours here. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 2,600%, making it $111 million. So a huge amount of money has been traded on Liquity over the last 24 hours, and the amount of people trading the crypto has increased incredibly guys. And as you guys can see, it is performing absolutely insane, and the trading volume is likely to go up over the coming hours as more and more people will start to trade it. As it keeps pumping, we are going to see more investors as well as more sellers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Lqty indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Liquity, which at the moment is here in purple at $1.13. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here in green at $2.49, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep guys. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case because it's only basing it off the last couple of hours. So again, that means whenever it's steep like this, that means it's not realistic. So over the coming 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards the end of the day today, I'm expecting Liquity to go for an overall drop in value. But again, it's not going to be a major drop here. It's going to be very minimal, potentially dropping down to about $2.20 to $2.30 is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today. However, that does not mean we're not going to see it pump anymore. Of course we are. It's a repeated cycle. We are going to see, as it happened earlier this morning, it pumped up in value, dropped back down, pumped up again, right now dropping back down. It's likely to go for another pump, heading to around the $3 mark before it drops back down slowly to around $2.20 towards the end of the day today. So yes, it is going to be volatile, but an overall drop in value is what is expected. But again, do expect it to pump up over the coming hours as well. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, still looking very steep, looking very bullish guys, meaning once again it's not realistic. So over the coming week or so, so let's say over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Liquity, but nothing major. It's not going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be minimal, potentially hitting about $3.10 to $3.20 is what I'm expecting towards the end of this week and early next week as well. But again, we are likely to see more red days over the next couple of days, so dropping back down in value to around $2 or just below $2 before it starts to slowly and steadily increase in value towards the end of the week and early next week, heading over $3 towards start of next week is what my expectations are as of right now. So again, do expect more red days over the coming days as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Still looking quite bullish, looking very steep, guys, meaning once again it's not realistic. Again, the major increase over the last few days has made the graph go absolutely crazy. But again, guys, even though yes, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Liquity over the coming weeks, so in this case I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks, by mid to late April 2023, I am expecting Liquity to be heading to around the $5 mark is what I'm expecting. Yes, guys, $5 may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, if we manage to give it a good approximately 2 months time, I'm pretty sure it is a realistic figure, $5. And as you guys can see, since the start of 2023, as you can see at the start of the year, it was worth about 53 cents, let's say about 50 cents, and right now has nearly gone 5 times its value, hitting about $2.48. So again, for it to hit $5 is going to have to double its value from where it is at the moment, which is doable even in the next month or so it is. But I thought, you know what, let's give it a slow and steady increase in value, make it a little bit realistic. So $5 by the end of April is realistic, and that's my predictions. However, unless the crypto market goes for a major crash or a major bull run or anything like that, these things will of course have a major negative or positive impact, not just on the value of Liquity but the crypto market in general. But that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict. And yeah, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And also follow me on Instagram, link to that will also be in the description box down below. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Liquity, guys. And as mentioned in the thumbnail, can Liquity hit $10? Personally, we should be able to hit $10 by Q3 of 2023, guys. So over the next 4 to 5 months, I'm expecting Liquity to be heading up to $10. Yes, $10 may seem quite a long way from where it is at the moment, but it is doable. It is a realistic amount that we can hit by Q3 of 2023, depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit $10? Is it over the coming days, coming weeks, coming months? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.